Hi there, what's up? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you to make this Origami Waterbomb. And I'm sure a lot of you already folded this model, but the reason why I'm teaching it is because, it's a really simple model, and I think it's nice if I can teach beginner models. And if you've never done origami before, this is a good model for you to try out first, because this is really easy. And here we go. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, which is standard origami paper. Yeah, it's colored on one side and white on the other. But if you don't have a sheet of kami, you can use an ordinary sheet of printer paper. Just make it into a square. And I have a video for that right here. Well, I will soon. Okay, so let's begin white side up. So this will give me an orange water bomb. And let's fold in half. And make strong creases. I say crease sharply in a lot of my videos. And fold in half this way. Now take this corner and fold it directly to the top. Turn over like this, right to left, and fold this corner to the top. Okay, now open this up like this, put your hand all the way inside, and bring the sides together like that. And here we have the water bomb base. And why is it called a water bomb base? Because it's the base we use to make a water bomb. Okay, so let's make the water bomb. So we're going to take both of these corners and fold them to the top. It's easiest to do one at a time. I mean, you could fold them both up at the same time, but I'm just going to do one at a time. Okay, and don't unfold it. Let's repeat on this side. Alright, now turn over, and let's repeat this on the back side. So you can fold them both up at the same time, but I'm going to fold one at a time. So fold to the top point. And repeat on this side too. Okay, now if you look at it, there's a side with flaps and a side with no flaps. I'm going to rotate it so the open side is facing me. And take this point and fold it to the top. We're just going to mark the middle point of this. You could make a crease. It probably wouldn't hurt if you do, but I'm going to make a crease mark like this. There you go. And there's the middle point. Okay, zoom in a little bit. And take it at this point and fold it to the middle. Okay, and take this point and bring it to this point. Okay, now we're going to repeat that process on the back side. So you can take either one of these points, it doesn't really matter. We're just making the middle. And take it and fold it to the top. And you could make a crease mark, but you could make a crease all the way across, but I'm going to make a crease mark. Okay? And take this point and fold it to the crease mark, or to the middle. And take this point and fold it to this point. Alright, and make these creases nice and strong, because it'll make the model cleaner, I think. Okay, zoom in a little bit more. And now we're going to take this point and we're going to fold it not directly. I mean, you could directly fold it to the point, but I think it'll be a little bit cleaner if I leave a little bit of space in between there. So I'm going to fold it about like this. So I'm not folding all the way to the point. I'm just leaving about probably 1 millimeter of space there. Okay, and I'll show you why in just a second. So make that fold nice and sharp, like this. It's best to do it on the table here, not in the air. And now we're going to take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, and unfold it, and as you can see, it didn't interfere with the edges. That's why I left a little bit of space there. So that way when I fold it up, the edges won't get all crooked and stuff. Because if I folded it up to the point, it would probably get kind of messy. Okay, make that fold sharp. Okay, now let's open this pocket. This is probably the most difficult step of the whole model. But yeah, we're going to open this flap. There should be a pocket right there. You can just open that up. And we're going to tuck this point inside of that pocket. like this. See? So that's probably the most difficult step of the whole model. Hope you're able to do that. And let's do that on this side. So again, you could fold to the middle, but I'm going to leave about, I think it's best to leave a little bit of space there. Okay, and then now fold this up right over the edge, like that. And now we're going to do the tricky step. So open this flap and stick it into the pocket. Okay, and let's do that on the back side. So I'm leaving a little bit of space in between there, and I'm going to fold it up like this. So open this up like this and stick it in there. Alright, and repeat on this side. Fold like that, and this. And now open the flap. And stick the flap in there. Yeah, this is probably the most challenging step. Okay, like this. Okay, now comes my favorite step of the whole model. We're gonna inflate this. So you just, you open it like this. There should be a little hole on one side right there. You just blow into that hole, and it'll inflate like this. So here it goes. See? And it inflates just like that. Isn't that cool? That's why it's called the paper balloon, because you can blow it up just like this. And if you'd like, this is optional, but you can make it into a cube by making mountain folds all the way around. Like this. And same on this side too. Okay, and now it's more like a cube. And what's also cool about this is that you can hold like this and you can blow right here and it'll spin. See? It's a spinner. See? How cool is that? And you can probably make it spin on the table too. On a table that's actually smooth. See? It spins nicely on the table just like this. Okay. And there it is. And it's called a paper water bomb because I think you fill it up with water and then you drop it and it'll explode. And yeah. Or you can stick your finger inside. And it can be a little finger puppet just like that. You can draw a face. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, make sure you do. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.